Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily install Reddit on your PC. So what you want to do first is click on the link down below in the description. And it's the first link, and then you will get here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing tool that's going to help you install and use Reddit. So I want to click download Ldplayer, and I got it already installed, so I will just show you the video here. So okay, you're going to click on download. And you're going to set it up. And then you're going to choose like, okay, you got it installed. So you want to download it. That installation complete, and you're going to open the tool. So now I'm going to open the tool. I'll go to Home, System, App, and you're going to find Play Store. When you're going to log in, you just want to write Reddit here and install Reddit. And when you have Reddit installed, you want to open it. Now we can continue with the email, Gmail, or Apple. So let's say that I can continue with the email or already a Redditor. And then here you are. So we just want to search Reddit. And you just want to connect here. And that's how you're going to do it. So that's how you can download Reddit on PC. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.